Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today's our topic is number about nouns. We are studying the grammar. So let's see what it happens. But before that, just for personality development, some tips. Building a nation is a long process. If you want to build your nation, don't accept the result of your effort in short period of time. It is like any nations, when it start prepare, it will take a century to improve the situation. It's very similar, like in one day you cannot prepare a building, because it will take a lot of days and even some months you have to do it. So the same scenario of human people, that when people they start living together, start working, for example you have start one a company, so this company, it will take long time, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, to improve their situation. And especially for nations, it will take even centuries, even 1 century or 2 centuries or 3 centuries, you will find that your nation become improved. For example, like America, they, when Europeans came to America, so it will take even 1, 2, or 3 centuries to start becoming a nation like this. Even in Australia, this happened the same. So also think about it. Just an idea for you. So now we start number. What's the number in language? All languages have separate words for singular or plural nouns. Normally, plural nouns are derived from the singular nouns. As in English, we add or es. You add at the last, which means at the end of each singular noun it becomes drive its plural noun. As you know it, I think there is no issue. Like for example, one man you may call mans. Mans means many persons. Similarly, one the word person or persons, lady or ladies, you add like this, na? So this is single or plural is an example in English. Now in Arabic, the situation is not different, but the difference between in Arabic and other languages is that there are three words are used in to describe the number of the noun. In Arabic, the problem is that there is not two words of singular or plural noun. No, they have three words, which is called wahid, tasniya, and jama. What it is? Wahid means simply your singular, one thing or one person. Jama means many persons or something or some concept. And another word is used in Arabic. Tasniya means two persons or two concepts or two ideas, whatever it is, or two things, whatever. Now see examples. Wahid means singular, like Rajulun means man. Imraatun means a woman. Jannatun, a garden. These are examples. So this is Wahid. And if you add Alif Lam, or Rajul means some special man you are talking about it. Al-Imra means some special woman you are talking about it. Al-Jannah means become you are talking about some special garden you are talking about that. This is singular word. Tasniya we do after sometime before. See, Jama. Jama means plural. Plural format in Arabic, which is called Jama, Jama'un or Jama. If you just stop it, Jama. Like many. Example is in like English, same thing, like Rijalun. Rijalun means many men, which are three or more than three. Rijal. Jannatun, three or more than three gardens. This become Jama. So in Arabic, Jama means three or more. But in English, it is two or more. But in Arabic, they have special word for two items. So this is, please memorize this one. This is called Tasniya. What is Tasniya? Tasniya is used for two items, usually used as describe persons or things in pairs. This is because two things always have pairs. That's why in Arab people they have used these words so that they know that we are talking about some pair about this. Like the same word, I give example, the word rajulani, which means two men. Imra'atin, which means two ladies. Jannatani, which means two gardens. Like this. The simple way to make tasniya is to add an alif plus noon is add. What is alif and noon? Example is this. This is alif and noon. Like see example, imra'atani. Alif nan is at the end of that. Jannatani. Alif noon is available there. So pronunciation you have already studied in the previous 10 lectures. So I think you know it. If not, so please start this one. The first 10 lectures, please listen. And this is the book is AG00 book. Study that first, please. If not done, if you have done, then it's okay. I think you are now understanding it. If the noun is in objective nasb or possessive format, the ya and noon will also become in this format as well. Ya noon, it may happen. Like the word imratanaini, this is ya noon. Ya noon means two ladies you are talking about it. Or jannataini, you are also talking about some two gardens. But these words are used especially in case of some possessive or objective format. But if it is subjective format, then it is alif noon. Otherwise it becomes ya nain. So it will become imrataini, jannataini, like this. Or if it is subjective format, then it will be imratani, jannatani, rajulani, like this. So please, you have to memorize these rules, and definitely with the practice, you will memorize about them. So we will do it, but before this, let me explain some things. For most of nouns, plural can be made by adding wa ya noon, wa noon at the end of the masculine noun. And alif ta is used for feminine nouns. You know that some nouns are especially masculine and some are feminine, like this. So for feminine nouns it becomes alif ta. For example, I share some examples like the Muslimun, which means many Muslims. This is masculine word. Similarly, abiduna, which means many worshippers. Abiduna. And usually these words are used for men. But if these words are used for women, it will become muslimatun, many Muslim ladies. Or mu'minatun means many believers, women who worship, who work on this. In Quran you will find a lot of examples. Similarly, abidatin, which means many worshippers, women. Abidatun, this will also happen. Who have worship, who work them. So please note this one. These rules of Arabic also work in that way. This is applicable to objective case rafa. If it is with the rafa, it is masculine noun is objective or possessive. This may happen as well. So in that case, ya noon will appear. Like mu'minaini. Mu'minaini means many believers. Muslimaini, muslimina. Muslimina means many Muslims. Abidina, many worshippers. Like this. So this ya has al-fath will be there in tasniya. This also happens. If the letter before ya, so then it will become as just as a fatah. So then it will become tasniya, which means an example. If it is carries a kasara, it is plural. It may happen like abidain. The same words. Abidaini means especially. Abidaini means two worshippers. This happens. So you can see the same words. Abidina means many worshippers, but Abidaini means two worshippers, like this. So kindly note this one. Abidina means many worshippers, which will be three or more than that. But Abidaini means two worshippers. You are talking about it. Similarly, the rule of feminine noun is subjective as well. Subjective, which is, nasb. Nasb or possessive or jar. This may happen as well. In last letters of the word will have a kasara. Is both cases. Like nasb, it will carry a kasara instead of fath. For example, some example, muslimatin, many Muslim ladies. But if you add this mu'minatin, many believer women, you are talking. Abidatin, many worship women, like this. So this appears like this way. So you can see the same word has different meaning. It appears. This happens. For many words, there are different procedures to make plural. About this, we shall study these special procedures in the next module, because this will be some technical issues we will discuss in the next books. It is module, the plural will be mentioned wherever required. The rule is make tasniya do not differ, and they are mentioned above, as you mentioned. Now I share with you some examples. This tasniya and jama, how it appear like this. Like the word I shared with you, muslimun, Muslim, simple. But Tasniya means Muslimani or Muslimaini. Muslimani means two Muslim men. Muslimaini, this will happen that these are nasb and jar, some special objective or possessive format. This will become Muslimaini. Again, two Muslims, persons you are talking. It will appear as plural will Muslimun. Muslimuna means many Muslims. This is normal format, but Muslimina means many Muslim persons. You are taking some action about it, or you are some special persons you are talking about it. Similarly, see the other example. Muslimatun means simply Muslim ladies. So if you call Muslimatani or Muslimataini, it means two Muslim ladies. And Muslimatun or Muslimatin or Muslimatin, this appear as especially plural, many ladies, Muslim ladies, like this. Similarly, see the example of Kitabun, book, which is simple. So Kutubun, Kutubun means many books. If it is objective, you will call Kutuban, that many books you are taking here. Purchase many books, for example. Kutubin, some special action you are taking here. Kutubin, that for many books or some special case you have to do this, like this. And if tasniya, how they will appear, I have ignored it because you have to try this an example. Okay, I will share it. Like Kitabun, Kutubani. Is it true? I am true or wrong? Please, you have to know. And then see in the answer book whether I have taken a mistake or right. I'm just giving an example for you. So please do this practice for different words and different formats and try to it. In these words, you have to take the actions, and whatever your mistakes, please note these ones. Just memorize these rules. Alif Noon or Ya Neen is symbol of Tasniya. Tasniya means two persons or two items or two concepts, like this you are talking. And symbol word is Jama, which normally appear as Wani or Yanin at the last of the word. So you will ask me that this Yanin is also for Jama symbol, or it is also Yanin is used in Tasniya. So yes, this is a problem in Arabic. So it may result in some mistake. You may consider it that two persons or two things you are talking, or it may be for many. Yes, this may happen. This may happen, but no problem. When you will read the full sentence, it will be clear for you that whether you are talking about two or many about it. So please, these are the examples. Please try to do by yourself. Take the errors, note the errors, and next time then do again practice it. So inshallah your errors will be minimized. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot taking time from you. So if you don't have downloaded the books, please download from these links, and whatever questions appear in your mind, send to me in the email and I will give you answer about it. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.